taking ownership of your well-being is the best thing you can do for your children. Today, we choose to focus on what matters most. Repeat after me, and let these 50 affirmations help you handle big emotions and move through challenges with a decisive, confident spirit. I am the master of my energy and time. I am the master of my energy and time. I set clear and healthy boundaries for my family. I set clear and healthy boundaries for my family. I have control over how I respond to stress. I have control over how I respond to stress. I am prioritizing what truly matters today. I am prioritizing what truly matters today. I release the myth of doing it all. I release the myth of doing it all. I choose my battles wisely and with intention. I choose my battles wisely and with intention. I am effectively managing our family schedule. I am effectively managing our family schedule. I have the power to create calm in my home. I have the power to create calm in my home. I am confidently making the best decisions for my children. I am confidently making the best decisions for my children. I trust my judgment completely. I trust my judgment completely. I am delegating tasks and asking for help. I am delegating tasks and asking for help. I am creating space for myself every day. I am creating space for myself every day. I release the need to please everyone. I release the need to please everyone. My voice is powerful and heard. My voice is powerful and heard. I am structuring my day to support my well-being. I am structuring my day to support my well-being. I am empowered by my choices. I am empowered by my choices. I am doing my best, and my best is enough. I am doing my best, and my best is enough. I am taking control of my emotional responses. I am taking control of my emotional responses. I am stronger than this challenge. I am stronger than this challenge. I choose where my time and energy go. I choose where my time and energy go. I am efficient and productive when needed. I am efficient and productive when needed. I am releasing the comparison trap. I am releasing the comparison trap. I trust that everything is unfolding as it should. I trust that everything is unfolding as it should. I am clearing out unnecessary clutter and commitments. I am clearing out unnecessary clutter and commitments. I am decisive and confident in my path. I am decisive and confident in my path. I am protecting my energy fiercely. I am protecting my energy fiercely. I am okay with being imperfect. I am okay with being imperfect. I am capable of handling financial worries. I am capable of handling financial worries. I am not responsible for my children's happiness, only their guidance. I am not responsible for my children's happiness, only their guidance. I choose to focus on my strengths. I choose to focus on my strengths. I am in charge of my own narrative. I am in charge of my own narrative. I am smart and resourceful. I am smart and resourceful. I can handle big emotions, mine and theirs. I can handle big emotions, mine and theirs. I am firm yet loving in my discipline. I am firm yet loving in my discipline. I deserve support and rest. I deserve support and rest. I am allowing others to help me. I am allowing others to help me. I am taking ownership of my well-being. I am taking ownership of my well-being. I release the need for external validation. I release the need for external validation. My home is run with calm efficiency. My home is run with calm efficiency. I trust my children to be resilient. I trust my children to be resilient. I am making progress, not striving for perfection. I am making progress, not striving for perfection. I am setting achievable goals for my family. I am setting achievable goals for my family. I am mastering the skill of prioritization. I am mastering the skill of prioritization. I am confident in my long-term parenting vision. I am confident in my long-term parenting vision. I let go of the things I cannot fix. I let go of the things I cannot fix. I celebrate my ability to manage complexity. I celebrate my ability to manage complexity. I am teaching my children independence. I am teaching my children independence. I am enough. My children love me for who I am. I am enough. My children love me for who I am. I am creating a joyful, sustainable pace. I am creating a joyful, sustainable pace. I am a powerful and effective leader in my home. I am a powerful and effective leader in my home.